In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to access an app called File Manager. You can do that by tapping on All Apps, tapping on the search bar, and typing in File. When you find it, click on it. Now click on All Files at the bottom and select Download folder. So when I click, as you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you wish to access one of them, just tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!